It's Bandit and Chilli. Hi kids! Today we are going to color Bandit and Chilli from the Bluey cartoon. Let's start with Chilli. We are going to use our cream color for her face and eyebrows. That's right, cream. And her little tail and paws. Look at that little nose. Let's use our black color. And for her body, let's use our brown color. That's amazing! Don't forget to color inside her ears too. And finally, let's use dark brown. That's right, dark brown. Wow, she looks so pretty. I really like her. And we have our lovely Chilli. Now, it's Bandit's turn. He is an archaeologist dog. Let's start with cream color for this part. That's right, cream color. For the next color, you can use light blue or gray. I'm coloring his eyebrows and his paws. They are so cute, aren't they? I love Bluey animation. How about you? Now, let's use our blue color for his body. Do you have a blue color? Take it and color with me. Kids, don't forget to color his tail too. It's blue. Okay, what's next? Oh, that's right. His ears. What color should we use for his ears? That's correct. Let's use our light brown. And let's finish with beautiful dark blue. That's right, dark blue. Our painting looks so beautiful. I'm so happy we did this. And we are almost done. Amazing! Follow us for more videos. Bye!